Good day, learners. This is Winella Ninova Vermeulen, and we are going to look at perimeter and area today with practice and application questions. Let's look at the practice part. Now, Sarah wants to knit a blanket for herself, and she designed the following pattern. So we can see it is a rectangular blanket that she's going to knit. There is a triangle, a red one, 2 green triangles, 3 pink circles, and then a yellow part and a blue rectangle again. Remember guys, this isn't necessarily drawn to scale. She wants to decorate the red triangle with a ribbon. Calculate the amount of ribbon she will need. So let's just quickly look at the red triangle. What is its measurements? It's 0,3 one side, the other side 0,3, and then the base is also 0,3. So she wants to decorate the red triangle with a ribbon, calculate the amount of ribbon. So we are going around, so we will be calculating the perimeter. So my perimeter is going to be 0,3 plus 0,3 plus another 0,3, and then after you punched it in, I hope that you're working with me, is 0,9, and then the unit we're working on is meters. If the radius for each circle is 3 centimeters, calculate the amount of wool needed to cover the area of all the circles in centimeters. So that means we are going to calculate the area of the circle. And we said the radius is 3 centimeters. So what will we be doing? We will say the area of the circle is going to be pi times the radius squared. Pi is always 3,142, so it's going to be 3,142 times the radius squared, so it's 3 squared, not 3 times 2, and that will give us an area of 28,28 centimeters squared. But now that is for one circle. We need to calculate all 3 of them. So therefore we're going to say 3 times 28,28, and then that is 84,84 centimeters squared. Now, she wants to do some beading on the perimeter of the yellow part. Calculate the perimeter. So, what's going to happen is she is going to be beading there, and then around here, and there, going up, and there, and there. So, what's going to happen is starting at one point, going around. Therefore, it is going to be, my perimeter is going to be 0,3 plus 0,6, and now we are here, and there's nothing given. So we need to calculate that yellow part. Now, if the whole piece is 0,3, and that blue part there is 0,2. This side is going to be 0,3 minus 0,2, which is then going to be 0,1. So the third measurement is 0,1. Then we go up, it's given as 0,4. Then we go to this part. It's already so scratched, but I hope you're following. Plus 0,2. And then the second last part, again, there's nothing given. So we need to remember that that whole part there is 0,6. And then this part is 0,4. So the measurement that we will be needing is 0,6 minus 0,4, which is 0,2. So then it's going to be plus 0,2. Now, the moment you work with such an intricate form or irregular form or shape, just go and double check that you have all the measurements so that you don't miss one and then get your answer inaccurate. We have that 0,3 plus the 0,6 plus the one that we calculated as 0,1, another 0,4, 0,2, and then the last one, the side that we calculated, is 0,2. Now we need to punch each of that into our calculators. 0,3 plus 0,6 plus 0,1 plus 0,4 plus 0,2, and then the last one plus 0,2 as well, and then we get our answer as 1,8 meters. Meaning, if she wants to do some beading on the perimeter of the yellow pot, she will be needing 1,8 meters of beading. Say, for instance, we decided that the answer must be in centimeters. What we need to do now is we need to go and convert the 1,8 meters to centimeters. So it's going to be, remember, 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So that's going to be 1,8 times 100, and that is then 180 centimeters. This brings us to the end of our practice part. We will be back soon. Go and get yourself something to drink because we need to focus on the next slide. See you now.